Now we are discussing about agricultural options in that fruit growing. A fruit tree is a tree which bears fruit that is consumed or used by animals and humans. All trees that are flowering plants produce fruit which are ripened ovaries of flowers containing one or more seeds. In horticultural usage, the term fruit tree is limited to those that provide fruit for human food. What fruit is the easiest to grow? These are our 10 favorite fruits that are ideal for beginners. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, figs, gooseberries, apples, blackberries and honeyberries. Which fruits? Next point is which fruits you can grow at home. Apples, pomegranates, plums, cherries, figs, lemons, strawberries. Which fruit is easy to grow in India? Guava, banana, papaya, lemon, passion fruit, pomegranate and pineapple. What are 5 stages of fruit? Those over which there can be no debate include fruit set, cell division, cell enlargement. The controversial 5th phase is senescence. And 4th one is maturation. And next point is what is called fruit growing. The correct answer is pomology. Pomology is the study or cultivation of fruits. The science of vegetable growing is called olericulture. And next point is which fruit takes 2 years to grow. Apricot. Even a single tree is enough to grow in the yard as it yields self-pollinating fruit. The tree grows faster but takes 2 years to start producing fruits. The sweet tart flavor of apricot tastes best when fresh. And next point is what is the biggest fruit tree? Jackfruit tree. The largest tree-borne fruit are those of the jackfruit tree, native to the Indo-Malayan region of Asia. And next point is what food is easy to grow. The easiest fruits and vegetables to grow for beginners: bell peppers, blackberries and raspberries, cabbage, cucumbers, garlic, strawberries, tomatoes and zucchini and squash. And next point is which fruit and vegetables grow faster. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables, taking just 3 to 4 weeks to reach harvest time. They are also exceptionally easy to grow. They can be grown in pots as well as and sprout within just 3 to 4 days. What seed grows the fastest? That is cornflowers, poppies, marigolds, sweet pea, sunflowers, petunias and nigella. And next point is what is the fastest food to grow? Radish. Radishes are probably the fastest growing vegetables in your garden, being ready to pick in as little as 30 days from planting the seeds. Their peppery flavor is a hit on the vegetable tray or added to a fresh lettuce salad. And next point is how long do pineapples take to grow? Time to maturity and fruiting. Regardless of how it was started, a pineapple plant matures at between 2 and 3 years of age when it will bear its first fruit. Afterward, it can fruit another time or two at roughly 2-year intervals before the plant bears out. Next point is what is the king of fruit? Plant durian. The Southeast Asian plant durian has been called the king of fruits, but like marmite, it sharply divides opinion between those who love the taste of its custard-like pulp and those revolted by its putrid smell. And next point is which country is famous for fruit. This statistic illustrates the leading producers of fresh fruit worldwide. In 2021, China was ranked first among these countries, producing some 253 million metric tons of fruit that year. Next point is which fruit grow 12 months. If you give your papaya plant all of these conditions, then you can grow papaya from seed and generally have fruit in 6 to 12 months. And next point is which fruit is highest paid. Yubari, not Yabari. Yubari melon is one of the most expensive fruits in the world. It is grown in Japan and can cost up to 20 lakhs a kilogram. The fruit has a texture that is similar to watermelon, but it has a sweet, tangy flavor. This is the information regarding fruit growing. So it will also be useful to so many people, those who are interested to know about fruits. Wishing you all the best.